In this video, we'll explore how to manage users in bulk within Linux environments. This involves the use of scripts and tools to make user administration more efficient. We'll be covering key aspects such as user management, shell scripting, administration tools, and automation techniques. Let's discuss the reasons to implement bulk user management. First, it significantly improves time efficiency for system administrators. Second, it ensures consistency in user account configurations. Third, it reduces human error in repetitive tasks. Fourth, it is scalable for large organizations. Finally, it simplifies compliance with security policies. As an example, manually creating 100 users is time-taking. Alternatively, you can achieve the same result with a script and a user list. Let's explore the different data sources available for bulk user creation. Common data formats include comma-separated values, also known as CSV, JavaScript object notation, also known as JSON, LDAP data interchange format, also known as LDIF, Excel spreadsheets, which can be converted to CSV, and database exports. This slide shows a sample CSV file, named users.csv, containing user data, including username, password, user identification, group identification, comments, home directory, and shell. This slide illustrates a simple bash script for creating multiple users. This script reads user data from a CSV file. The while loop iterates through each line of the CSV, assigning the values to variables such as username, password, user identification, group identification, comment, home directory, and shell. The user_add command creates a new user with the specified attributes, and the chpasswd command sets the user's password. To run this script, save it as create_users.sh, make it executable using the command chmod+x, and then execute it by typing the /create_users.sh. This slide discusses an advanced user management script. Enhanced features include error handling and validation, password policy enforcement, group management, logging capabilities, and taking backups before making changes. The slide also features a script with error handling. The create_user function checks if a user already exists before attempting to create a new user. If the user exists, it prints an error message and returns 1. Otherwise, it proceeds to create the user using the user_add command and prints a success message. The main loop reads user data from a CSV file and calls the create_user function for each user. This slide explores some built-in Linux tools for user management. The first tool is newusers. It is used to update and create new users in batch mode from a formatted file. An example usage is newuser space user_list.txt. The second tool is chpasswd. It is used to update passwords in batch mode from username-password pairs. An example usage is chpasswd less_password_list.txt. The third tool is pwck and grpck. These are used to verify integrity of password and group files to find inconsistencies. An example usage is pwck --r. The fourth tool is getent. It is used to get entries from administrative databases such as password and group. An example usage is getent password pipe cut -d:\-f1, 3. This slide explains bulk user deletion and modification. Before deleting users, it is important to create backups. You should use the -r flag to remove home directories. Consider archiving user data first. Verify user lists before executing the script and log all actions for audit purposes. The slide also showcases a sample bash script named delete_users.sh, which safely deletes users in bulk. First, the script checks if the user list file exists. If it does not exist, it prints a usage message and exits. Then the script backs up the /password and /shadow files. Finally, it iterates through each username in the user list and deletes the user using the userdel --r command. In summary, automation saves time and reduces errors. Always test scripts on non-production systems. Create backups before bulk operations and validate input data before processing. Common pitfalls include insufficient error handling, not validating input data format, forgetting to backup before changes, and overlooking security implications. Additional resources include the Linux System Administration Handbook, manual pages for UserAdd, UserDel, and UserMod, GitHub repositories for Linux user management scripts, and the Linux Documentation Project, also known as TLDP. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.